have a form of arthritis called psoriatic arthritis, which is a bit like rheumatoid arthritis in that it affects your joints, but it also affects things like your tendons and your ligaments and your soft tissue. So whilst I have it in my hands and my feet, I also get quite big flares in my elbows, in my shoulders, and also in my lower back. In terms of how it affects me, I guess I'm lucky in that it does kind of ebb and flow, and I have found a treatment that works for me. But if I'm in what we call a flare, where I've got really swollen fingers or a lot of pain in my ligaments and tendons, it makes it quite difficult for me to grip things in particular. That's probably the biggest impact. It's also in my feet, so shoes are a problem, and sometimes things like doing exercise and walking around can be quite difficult as well. But from a day-to-day living point of view, the grip strength in my hands, I also have carpal tunnel, which is quite common in people with psoriatic because of the swelling from the inflammation, which means that my kind of sensitivity in my hands is also a bit reduced.
My name is Sophie Barnard. I had cerebral palsy, and I'll try to explain how that impacts me on a daily basis. It impacts fine motor coordination skills, such as in this regard, opening packages and everyday tasks.
Morning, my name's Tony Finneran. I'm a stroke survivor, and for my deficiencies I've got a dodgy hand and pretty poor grip, and I've lost some of my peripheral vision as well.
Hello, I'm Sandra Gerswich. I have young onset Parkinson's disease, YOPD. I was diagnosed in 2019 at 45 years old.
My name is Linda Jane Atkinson and I'm 57 years old. I have all the arthritises. Yay, me! I've got osteoarthritis, apparently of a now, just recently diagnosed, it's a 105-year-old person. I've got osteoporosis of the same. I've got arthritis in every single joint in my body, on my spine. Most bones, throughout bones. I'm quite riddled with it. Just sitting here, I can get fractures and break bones and get compression fractures in the spine, which I have had multiple. I can just fall over something and I'll break a bone and I don't even know it. It's painful a bit, but I also have the reason it's my osteoporosis and is so advanced is because I went through menopause at 21, so that was a cause, as well as having a disease when I was a baby called encephalitis, which is a brain disease which is giving me a lot of medical conditions. One of them is functional neurological disorder, which is a brain disorder where the nervous system and the central nervous system, the neural pathways in the brain that tell your body to do things that you don't, like to move your arm. The brain tells, well, it's like a transdurailment, so it doesn't get through. So you cause hit things and whatnot. But due to the arthritis, I've lost a lot of mobility, strength, ability to open things, carry things. It's affected my life in a lot of ways. But push on. And don't let it win. I try and keep going because that's what you have to do. You don't, even when you're in pain, I just keep going. I'm not going to sit down because you've got to keep building your bones and try as much as you can.